entrepreneurs, business-minded, or mga nanay lang na walang ginagawa, or like housewife lang type. Lang ha, but it's a lot of responsibility being a mother. No? Okay, so, paano ako dumating sa Riway? Back then, 2019, I had met this letter with C. It's a colon cancer. 15 years po ako sa pharma. And our head office is here in Manila. So, hindi na bago sa akin yung Manila, actually. But, because of stress, relate ba? Because of stress, because of unhealthy diet, because of so much toxicity in the environment, being an employee, so I gained letter C. Gain, no? After all the hard work I have given to that company, so I gained letter C. Maybe this could be a reminder for every one of us na hindi po kayo robot. We are all human beings na pwedeng magkasakit anytime. So, isa ako doon. Sa maraming empleyado, no? I got this illness and thankfully, sabi ko, if this person who is my business partner today, our Team Elite Phoenix, Miss Tess Palma, if she did not reach me out that time, I don't know if nasaan na ako ngayon. Right? So, this is not a health testimony, but because parang bago kayo sa akin, and maybe bago rin ako sa inyo, maybe you deserve to have a little bit of my story. Yes, I had this surgery for 7 organs removed. Iniwala kayo? And ito po, 7 organs removed. Yeah. And today, ladies and gentlemen, I am still enjoying the 20% discount being a person with disability. No, hindi siya dapat pinapalakpakan. Sorry. Maybe this is my privilege, no? Being a PWD. Why? Bakit PWD ka na yun, Wendy? Because until today, I am still wearing my colostomy bag. Bakit andyan siya? Bakit tumatayo siya? Bakit pwede ba maging ganun ang isang colon cancer survivor? Pwede ba maging Pegasus, yung isang colon cancer survivor? Yes. Yes. Any one of us here inside this room can, provided if you still have that dream in you.
Yes.
Dream that you have to take action. You have to move forward. You have to be resilient. Kung ano man ang nangyari sa'yo, bounce back right away.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, 7 organs removed. I have 4 major surgeries. Paulit-ulit. Pero because the love of my family, because that love for my children, yun po ang motivation ko, how I bounced back and how I really recovered my health. No? So today, ladies and gentlemen, I would always say I am so grateful to Riway Philippines and to Riway International. Hindi ko madali ang nangyari sa akin. It's not an overnight success, I tell you. When Ma'am Tess gave me that opportunity or shared to me that opportunity, I was just interested in the product. But the problem was, I did not have money to buy with the one bottle. Kayo, marami kayong pera. Pwede kayo bumili ng like a 6-month therapy right away. But that time, negative. Because of pabalik-balik to the hospital 4 times, major surgeries. Being an employee, do you think I have that much? Do you think I have that savings in my account, bank account? No. Diba? Kasi if we are employed today, kulang na kulang, kahit kikita ka even 50,000 per month, it's very small amount of money. Especially when you are living here in Manila, in the biggest cities, I tell you, kulang po yan. So, what I did, thank you. Ma'am Tess, no, my business partner, kasi awang-awa siya, she gave me the magic 10 miraculous capsule. 10 po na miraculous, tawag ko doon, capsule. Why? Because she was thinking that I may die anytime that time. So, ang 10 capsules po for me was really, grabe. I cannot explain that time. I can recall vividly na parang umiiyak talaga ako because my son, who was already a nurse that time, did not permit me to take that capsule. Why? Of course. Let's not argue. If we have a family inside the house that is medically professional, no? Of course, they will not say yes right away. But because of my decision that I told him, what if, anak, this will work to me? Kasi the usual Filipino mindset is like, when somebody is giving you an opportunity or like giving you an information about supplementation, kaagad nag-e-ex tayo. Because you thought that pinagpipirahan ka lang. Is that the right term in Tagalog? Sorry hindi no? But I really insisted. Sabi ko sa anak ko, what if this will work for me? 3 days taking it. Sabi ni Miss Tess, Wendy, you take it 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. Sabi ko, this is only 10 capsules. Baka hindi na umabot sa 5 days. Sabi ko, okay. Then, when she went out of the house, I told my son, I will try 1 that afternoon, and then pagkabukas, isa. So, isa-isa lang para I could drink it or take it in 5 days. Okay? So, fast forward, 3 days after, because my son was personally taking care of me that time, napansin siya because I was suffering from alopecia. Alopecia, lagas ng buhok because of, no, I didn't go to chemotherapy. Hindi po ako naka-experience ng chemotherapy nor radiation. It's purely pure tear. So, balik ako. Back to my story. 3 days after taking it, I was amazed and surprised. Even my family, my husband, my kids was surprised. Why? Because yung lagas ng buhok, I was just lying down all throughout that time, and pinagpupunasan nila ko. When he looked at my pillow, no, nag-lessen ang buhok. So that was my first experience with pure tear. Hindi po magic. Second, I experienced a very, very good sleep. Sino ba ang naka-experience dito? Very good sleep. Deep sleep po. So I experienced that both. Okay, so after looking this magnificent and wonders no, na experience ko, my family started to look for money. Money para makabili ng isang bote lang po. Wala akong magpapautang because, of course, simpleng empleyado lang, katatapos lang from the hospitalization bills, so walang-wala. Okay, so that time, luckily and fortunately, my husband found a money to buy the one bottle. After one bottle of taking pure tear, 30 days after, nag-bowling na po yung pasyente. So, diba? Nag-journey talaga ako. Monitor lahat yan. Wala lang dito yung documentation. Now, after that, naghanap ulit ng pera ang asawa ko para sa 6-month therapy. Kasi, for your information, the proper taking of this product should be a minimum of 6 months. Hindi mo magic para sa isang bote na you can fully recover or regain back your health. No, it is not like that. So, after 4 months taking the product, I went back to my doctor. I had my laboratory check. Ang ganda po ng result. I was shocked with the announcement of the lab test, no? Because it shows I was already free of cancer. Whether you believe it or not, it's okay. It's for you to doubt, it's for you to decide, and it's for you to scrutinize, no? And ask if this is really true. Nasa inyo po yan, hindi po sa akin, sa iba, sa mga nag-invite sa inyo, it's for you to decide. No? Lahat po tayo, we have this kind of doubt, and it's normal. So, from then on, I went to my usual household chores na trinatrabaho ko that time. I took my driving again. My vitality and my energy went back. Kung ano 70 before, kung I was so hardworking, parang bumabalik that time. And because we do not have office in CDO yet, 2019. We don't have leaders who can be your mentor that time. Wala po. But because of this product na nagbigay sa akin ng assurance na I can dream again. So, what I did, I asked Ma'am Tess, Ma'am Tess, my goal for this product is to take and to sustain taking it. But the problem is, I do not have money to sustain for this product. Tama, no? Because not everyone is blessed to have money. Right? Sabi ni Ma'am Tess, okay, because naawa siya sa akin, sabi niya, okay, game. If you can sell 1 set of pure tear, sabi niya, I will give you 1 bottle. Pag isang set, ang nabenta ko daw, may isang bote na regalo ko from her. So that was my motivation. Simple. Wala pong platform, wala pong marketing plan, wala pong pera-pera na profit, wala. Because all I want that time was for me to take the product na libre. So yes, came pandemic. Wait, before the pandemic came, I sold 8 sets. No? 8 sets. And little did I know, I was included right away being Diamond 1 star. See, walang pera, negative, may colostomy bag, pero naging 1 star. Pwede?
Pwede.
Kaya! See? You always remind yourself ngayon ha, na you are fully okay. Wala pong natanggal na organ sa inyo. I became 1 star, and then I said, how can I learn about this company? Kasi wala nagtuturo. Okay. So, yung mga cross lines ko, I observed because they were inviting me always in like this event, no, the OPP, to be their testimony sharer. So, I realized, hala, ang dami palang tao na nai-inspire to my story. Ang dami palang nag-close na sale sa ibang tao because of my story. So I was happy then because I feel like I was one of the source, no, how they were convinced of my story. Okay. So nag-observe po ako. I don't know how to say to share the OPP, but number 1, I am a believer of the product. So hindi ako nahihirapan, even I cannot say fully the entire OPP script. So, what I did, okay, sabi ko, I need to create also a team. Sabi ko, why? Because how can I earn? This is not a lifetime free bottle na ibibigay ni Ma'am Tess, of course. Dahil sa awa niya, of course, she gave me the 1 bottle free. So yes, I decided, wala po akong pera. I started, papaano po? I started, na na-realize ko, oh, I still have jewelry in my box. Because naawa ko sa asawa ko na, kumbaga, siya na lang ang sustain for the family. And hindi kaya. So, sabi ko, I'm not wearing these jewelries because pandemic. Sabi ko, can I go to the pawn shop and pawn these items? And this proceeds will be used to start my OPP. Sige, sino yung mga tao dito na very dependent sa mga uplines? Kasi, hindi ako sinusuportahan ng OPP ko. Oh, mind you, I did not have that kind of mindset. Because I know this is my own business. So imagine yourself, walang office, walang BD, no mentorship. It was my decision. Now, I told myself, paano po maging elite? Napaka-ambitious, ano? Yeah, you have to be ambitious. Because Cagayan de Oro needs people who will lead, no? Who will lead na hindi greedy, who will lead na magta-transform ang mga tao eventually. So I made that decision. That time, because I was a medical representative, sino ba mga medrep dito in the house? Meron po ba? I was a medrep before, for 15 years po. Every single day of my life, kaharap ko po yung mga doctors. But don't you know, I didn't realize that doctors will become my market. So, hindi po ako nag-hard sell. Pandemic, right? I was posting in the social media, the health is wealth, ganun, ganyan. And Because my story spread out in the whole of the pharmaceutical industry in Cagayan de Oro City. Doctors and med reps were aware of my case. So while I was posting in the social media, they kept on asking, how did you recover? How did you recover? Okay, I have a secret. I'm taking this capsule. Pure Dear. Okay, so hindi po madali, but because of my story, nakatulong po. I bumped one day a doctor at SM Cagayan de Oro, and she told me, Wendy, is that you? Hey, Doc, yes, I miss you. No, beso. Now, she told me, oh my God, you look so the same before. Ano bang secret mo? So I told her, don't you know that I'm taking stem cell in oral capsule form? Sabi niya, oh, parang maganda yan. And that doctor, she was an OB-GYN. She was suffering from arthritis, no? So sabi niya, mag-usap na tayo. So, it started that way. Kumalat. And then, doctor, after one doctor, and after one again. Yes. So, nangyari no, wala po akong ka-teammate na kasamahan ko sa pharmaceutical industry. Kasi, mahirap. Talagang even if ako, kunyari, if I was given this opportunity na wala pa ako, hindi pa ako nagkasakit, maybe I will also reject. Kasi we are always takot to lose our job. Diba? So, ngayon, I realized that if I didn't suffer from this illness, maybe wala rin ako sa relay. But I was really thinking that maybe nakaplano na siya. Kung ano man yung buhay natin ngayon, nakaplano na yan. Depende na po sa atin how we will navigate our lives, how we will take action in our lives, no? Depende po yan sa lahat sa atin. You decide. Now, through Zoom meetings, I am a product of this event. No face-to-face because it was pandemic. Every time there was a Zoom that time, I was also present, always present. So, when the pandemic was lifted, no? So, I become so excited to face and to see all the elites, especially to Faith Ann, of course. Grabe ang influence ni Faith Ann to me. So, what I did, I worked with my team. In 2021, I became a team lead PAVO. 2021 to 2019, nakaraos, nagbenta-benta, pandemic, na-close. 22 and 21, bounce back, no? Became team lead PAVO. 1 year after, sabi ko, I really wanna sit in front and I wanna wear white coat.
Wow.
Meron bang nag-dream ng ganyan sa atin dito? Of course, di ba? Lahat tayo, right? Okay! Palagpagan po natin yung may mga dreams to wearing the white coat. So sabi ko, napaka-imposible. Because I don't have money in the bank. I have a lot of bottles, yes. Di ba? Kasi nagpavo eh. I have worth 1 million RW every single month. I mean, 1 million pesos converted na, no? Sa RW na kita ko po. And who will think, isang medrep, 50,000 na kita before, yes, I have that income, but to have a 1 million kita from isang buwan, parang totoo to. But really, it's true.
1 month.
So, dahil walang pera, no, I started this 1 million a starting capital of my business. Kasi mga tao yun ang ano yun eh, group sales yun eh, volume sales. So, umaakyat income ko. The income that I have, I started with my rolling capital in Rebay. Hindi po ako bumili ng sasakyan. Hindi po ako bumili ng bahay. Yung 1 million ko, it was a starting capital for my business. Bumili ng product para marami pa rin product. And I started to have my own event. Event! No one was looking at me and no one was teaching no, na mag-event. Because I know, again, that this is my business. Okay? So, now, 2022 po. No, 2021, my downline, who is a business-minded, no, businessman, actually, fought for a Team Elite Pegasus rank. Nauna po siya. And when that time na nauna po siya, wala akong ginagawa. Because I still, that time, I was still learning that time. Sabi ko, hala, everyday, pag nag-i-input siya, may kita ako. Oh my God, I was thinking pa ako din. Tapos nagpe-Pegasus yung under ko. And I had this income every single day. Oh my God, sabi ko, hala, totoo pala. Totoo, may kita ako, Lord. Paano ba to? Paano ko gagawin? Para maging ganyan din ako sa kanya. So okay, naging Pegasus ko siya. Nauna po siya sa akin. And I was the proudest upline ever. Why? Because meron na akong naging Pegasus under me. So what I did, 2022. Do you know our Team Supreme Pegasus 3, Miss Elizabeth? The mother of Faith Ann? Sabi po ni Miss Elizabeth, Ma'am Beth, Wendy, alam mo ba, kung lagi ka na lang nasa stage at nagte-testimony ng buhay mo sa what you've gone through, malalaos ka rin. Because somebody will rise up and mawawala na yung story mo. Kailangan mag-fight ka. I told myself, Mabet, wala po akong kapital, wala po akong pera. Because I was thinking that we need capital at that time. Sabi niya, ano ba yung Tagalog ng pobre? Mahirap ka! You are poor! Mahirap ka! Kailangan magtrabaho ka! Yung trabaho na intentional, na may purpose. Paulit-ulit na sinasabi ni Ma'am Beth. And every time, every single day, that time, I remember, iniisip ko lagi yun. Kahit saan ako mapunta, I always think of it. Tama, no? What if ibigay ni Lord? What if magkatotoo? What if I will try? So, I decided, I meet my team and decided to say that I will be fighting Pegasus. And I need your help and we need to collaborate. Teamwork. Thankfully, hindi po prestige points ang nagbayad sa pagiging Pegasus ko. It was a run, it was a fight, it was a 3 months fight with 182 sets per month. You multiply 182 sets times 180,500 per month. It's not an easy decision. It was impossible for me, but it became possible. So, kakatapos lang ng pandemic that time. So I became Pegasus. I became right away a Team Supreme Pegasus 1. So, sabi ko, nakilala ko ng business development in Cagayan de Oro. Puntahan sila doon. Kasi sino itong babae na nag-Pegasus? Wala namang nagko-coach. Sino ba to? So, management came down and looked for me and they sat down with me. Doon nag-start ang Freeway journey ko. It started, nakilala ko ng Freeway when I was already a Pegasus. Imagine. Ngayon kung one star ka lang or wala ka pang rank, tapos hard-headed ka, I think you have to change it before going through a transformation of yourself. You change. Wala po magsasabay sa inyo niyan. Kayo lang po ang pwedeng mag-decide. So, okay. Naging Pegasus, but it did not stop there. Why? Because this is a continuous learning. This is people's business. This is about relationship. Don't you know that the new currency of Freeway or in any other form of businesses, we need to have or to build good relationship. Kasi kung wala, I'm sorry, kung hindi po matibay yung relasyon natin sa isa't isa, especially on your own team, may hirapan po kayo. Kung if you are just looking at profit, no? You are maybe calculative, laging pinikwenta kung magkano ang ROI. It's not effective here in Freeway. You have to have that big heart no matter how hard it is. Open your heart, blessings will follow, and manage your team. So do not be afraid of failing because it's normal. Because when you fail, you have that opportunity to change. Huwag mo nang balikan ang ginawa mo before. Diba? You have to step up. You have to rank up. It's not for Freeway International actually. It's for you to grow. It's for yourself development. It's for your self growth. Maybe hindi nyo pa naiintindihan ngayon, especially to the new person here inside the room. But mind you, if you will only attend events, magmamature po kayo. Yes. So, be thankful to the person who invited you. Please, can you tap the person who invited you? Say, thank you for inviting me here.
Wala mo itatap eh. Wala rito eh. Thank you for inviting me.
I came here, I am here this afternoon kasi ang kulit-kulit na nag-invite ko. Diba? Ang kulit-kulit sa nag-invite ko. Or maybe change natin ang mindset na, halika, punta tayo dun sa MOA kasi may free dinner. Pagkatapos ng dinner, hindi pa nag-OOPP, umuwi na. Kasi ang Akbar, my free dinner. No! Don't do that. Don't practice that way. Wag po. You change it. Kasi this is an opportunity for you. Kasi, alam nyo, sila po talaga ang misadya sa atin. No? We are just being the bridge. No? To connect with them, this kind of opportunity. So I have this picture. Na very favorite ko, and this is my reminder how I started Freeway. Tingnan niyo po. Ako po ito's pandemic. Malaki pa yung tiyan kasi nandyan yung colostomy bag. Kakatapos lang ang surgery. How I started Leeway, sabi ko sa inyo walang pera, but I pawned my jewelries, right? Pero, I started this way, hindi po magara. Wala pong hotel. I make it a point when I have this OPP of mine, kami po ang pumupunta doon sa isang lugar. And then somebody will form an invitation of people. So, what I did, I will make a juice. Gagawa pa ko ng juice, sariling juice ko. I have the sandwiches. I cannot provide that time yet with a projector and a laptop. Okay? TV lang muna. Oh, kasi wala akong laptop, so nagbaborrow pa ako ng laptop. Merong laptop dito eh. And of course, you do not go to a war without a weapon. So, of course, I have priority. Sabi ko sa inyo, kinapitalize ko po. Yung income ko, binalik ko sa Leeway, and I have always a battle of mind. Kasi kung wala kang bote, mahirapan ka talaga. Okay? Pero pag bumili kayo sa online, bahala kayo sa buhay niyo. Okay? Let's make things clear. Kasi wala pong long term sa online, I tell you. Sila lang po ang yayaman, kayo hindi. But if you started from scratch, if you started from negative, and it's not impossible to start with no capital, I just did it. Look, this is 2021, and today, ladies and gentlemen, I became an employee for 15 years, but today, to tell you honestly, I am 7-year-old, but sa 7 years old pa lang po ako sa Leeway, come this April. But I can say, I am not yet successful, but yung bahay namin na nabenta namin because for my hospitalization bills, nabalik po sa amin. I cannot brag with you na meron akong magarang bahay, meron akong magarang sasakyan. Not yet po. Because I know that I have to invest my income back to Leeway, back to my kids. So, yung na-amaze na like, oh, may kita na ako, may 100,000, may 200, may 500, may 1 million na ako. Bibili ka agad. I'm sorry. It will start you failing. If yun ang nasa mindset niyo. Totoo yan. You try. Para meron din kayong story to tell. Yeah! Kasi even if we will be sharing our experiences, kung hindi nyo maramdaman how challenges, di ba? Makikita nyo yung effect. If you will not fail, you will not grow. So you have to fail first to grow. Tama? Look at these people. Di ba sabi ko? Lahat sila. Ako lang yung naiwan. Because of millennials, of course, no? I cannot blame. Why? Because wala pa kaming platform na pinag-uusapan that time. Wala kaming system na pinag-uusapan that time. Our mindset that time was just OPP. We need to find an ill people or sick person. Pero iba na ngayon, right? We sell the platform. We sell the system. Kasi we have grown already. So if you're still small today, do not fear. Why? Mag-uumpisa tayo sa lahat. If you don't start negative, clap sa imuha. That's Bisaya. I will clap at you because you have that resources. But for the people in the house without money, it's not an excuse for you to not act today. You act. Kahit mag-dream ka, kahit malaki yung dreams o pangarap mo sa buhay, if you don't execute, if you don't apply, and you don't have that action, sorry. Yung pangarap mo na yan matutulog pa rin. So, di ba? So, this is my life story, my journey in Riway. I am thankful, very grateful to the boss. Today, hindi na po ako nang babayad sa Cagayan de Oro ng training room. Because Riway gave us the chance na ma-put up yung Cagayan de Oro. And libre po. I can use the training room every Wednesday with my team. We can use the Friday event dahil company event din ng Cagayan de Oro. No? So, every time meron mga events like going back to tomorrow, we have company event, we have a special event on Saturday. So, imagine ha, before wala pang CDO office, lahat yan, 3 times a week hotel, sariling packet. Kaya niyo yun? Kumbaga, kaya niyo yun, I know, but yun bang pakiramdam na ha? Pagpapakain ka talaga ng maraming tao, galing sa packet mo, tapos you are not sure that one will say yes to you? Because this is intentional. The purpose is intentional. Hindi po pera-pera. Because kung pera-pera ang nasa isip nyo ngayon, I'm sorry. You will not last long in this kind of platform and business. So I think that will be over this afternoon. Thank you for your time. Okay, I still have to sell the next event. Okay? Okay, so the Leaders Recognition Night. It will be on very soon, April 1. So April 1 na po.